Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the unicorn Beetle style. This is the mauve color. Let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what it looks like on the device. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max 6.7 inch. This is the slim, clear mauve color. You see the purple right there? That kind of purple looking color. It's a weird name for it, but that's what it is. Thin and lightweight. Now these cases fit well. I did a clear color a couple of days ago. Same type case and fits the same. You get a black one as well, and you get a coupon as well. $14.44 on Prime with the coupon. You can get it overnight actually if you want to get it. All right, at least in this area. Okay, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box. Same unicorn Beetle drop protection, military standard. Usually about 12 feet there. UB style Mauve, however you want to pronounce that. Let's pull this out. All right, let's get this plastic off. You got some plastic on the inside and the outside. Let's see, they got a little tab to pull it out. All right, tab on the back. So nice clear case, clear back, matte sides, flat, and you got the opening for the charging port and your speakers right there. Lanyard opening. Volume down rocker, and the mute switch. The buttons are a little bit got a little bit of different color on it. It had kind of light lavender look, and also the lavender insert inside the back. You see that SUPCASE branding right there. You can see that, and the camera is going to be well protected. You see it's raised up there, so that's pretty cool. And the back is raised up a little bit too on the edges, so this back doesn't touch the surface, of course, the lip will be protected as well. All right, let's get the device. Let's put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here, let's put this inside. Now, these cases fit very tight and nice tight grip to it. All right, so this case fits tight. It looks good. You know, not my favorite color, but you know, it's not bad. Some people might like this. It's a different color on the iPhone, and it looks pretty good. The case is nice and slim and sleek, but offers good grip and grip protection. You see the front. The top lips are protected there, and the camera is well protected as well. You see that camera is tall, it's big, but it's protected. You know, it's not going to touch anything. And you got the back surface protected as well. All right, everything lines up on the bottom. You see that? No problem there. And you can get to the mute switch easily. The power buttons work well. So cool. And it's a good case. All right, now let's check out wireless charge and see how it works. Now let's see if we can get wireless charge in all three positions with this case right here. All right, let's stand it up. All right, so it picked up wireless charge when you stand it up. All right, we're gonna lay this to the side. Let me get these notifications down to the bottom, which is get these out of the way. All right, now let's check this out. So you gotta position it just right. So it's laying down. So you get the charge that way. Now let's lay it flat, which I'm sure that one will work. So you pick up wireless charge when it's flat as well. All right, so no problem there. Charging works well in all three positions. So that's a quick look at the SUPCASE UB style mauve color case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Great case, feels good in the hand, offers good protection, military drop standard. So if you like this color, it's gonna be a good case for you. Nice and slim, but still good protection. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.